This is for Year 12 methods. It comes out of 9K, the quotient rule. Remembering that the quotient rule, if I was to use E and V notation, U and V notation, is equal to V U dash minus U V dash over V squared. So in 7b, U is always the numerator, so U equals 3x squared plus 1. So U dash, which is du dx, equals 6x. And V equals the cos of x, which means V dash equals the negative sign of x. So f dash of x will equal V U dash minus U V dash over V squared, which in this case V is cos of x times U dash, which is 6x, minus U, which is 3x squared plus 1 times negative sign of x, which turns that into positive, over the cos of x all squared. And if I'm interested in f dash of pi, it's going to be the cos of pi times 6 pi plus 3 pi squared plus 1 times the sine of pi all over the cos of pi squared. Cos of pi is negative 1, so that's minus 6 pi. Sine of pi is 0, therefore that's 0. Cos of pi is negative 1 squared is negative 1 squared, which is 1, so minus 6 pi will be the answer. In the second example, U equals e to the x, therefore U dash equals e to the x. V equals the cos of x, therefore V dash equals negative sine of x. So f dash of x is going to equal V, so cos of x times e to the x, minus, so turn it into plus, e to the x sine of x, all over the cos of x all squared, which is e to the pi, so f dash of pi, cos of pi is negative 1, plus e to the pi times 0 over negative 1 all squared equals negative e to the pi.